Hi, I'm Jarod Joseph from Image Property, and today we're here at the stunning and unique property of 17 Cicada Close in the heart of Buderim, comprising of 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 separate living areas, double garage and an additional car space. Let's go check it out. So many outdoor areas, it'll make entertaining at your new home a breeze. Call me today to book your inspection of 17 Cicada Close.